about 40 minutes and I just now got my first acceptable order. This is a stacked Walmart, $20 going 8 miles. This could make up for all the lost time this morning. We shall see. And now we wait.
Okay, so we have the order ready right now, but we're missing like 2 items, so it's gonna be a few minutes because we have to like reprint all the labels and stuff. It's gonna be like 5 to 10 minutes.
Gotcha. All right, well, I was just about to call and confirm that I was checked in because it's been a while since I've been sitting here. At least I know my order's actually gonna be coming out soonish. Well, that took forever, but at least we're finally on the road. Hopefully the tips are good today because first hour, pretty much all of it was wasted. Please don't be upstairs. I cannot see these numbers. Oh, it's gonna be upstairs, isn't it? Please don't be upstairs. Got a McDonald's order lined up after this. It is $7 going less than 2 miles. Next up, we've got Angels, $9.75 going less than 5 miles.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So reduce the items.
Just got my next orders. We've got Wendy's and Crave Grill, $17 going 4.5 miles. They're both going to the same customer, so only bad thing about it is both of these restaurants are known to be terribly slow. What are the odds that this lobby is open? Of course not. Thank you. Thank you. Actually ready on time. Nice. Just got my next order. This is Victorico's, $10.25 going 6.5 miles. Thank you. Finally got my next order. This is a shop and deliver for PetSmart, $15.25 going 6 miles, 3 items. Next order just came in. This is for McDonald's, $10 going about 3 miles. Yeah, the GPS takes me like way far away.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yep. Have a good one.
You too.
Next order just came in. This is a Sherry's, $7 going 2 miles. Thank you.
No, I was
I'm so sorry, but have a great day, okay? All right, Diana?
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day.
Yeah,
Thank
you
you for
too.
your patience.
Probably does.
Thank you.
Sure. Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you. So I got this order as I was leaving Sherry's. It is for Sherry's. $11 going like 4.5 miles.
Yesterday was worse. But we don't have a host, so it makes it really hard to get this and serve and greet people at the same time.
I totally forgot to film the outro there, but I ended up unassigning that last Sherry's order because I had waited like 10 minutes and my order was still second or third in line, so wasn't gonna be ready anytime soon. I ended up picking up some lunch, so my shift ended around 11:35. Total ended up being like 92, and I still have 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so all I can hope for is breaking that $100 mark. Today was pretty terrible, not gonna lie. I knew that first hour was a complete wash, but I felt like I was doing okay afterwards, so I'm not sure where everything went wrong. But anyways, that's gonna be it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.